Buxfer Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Links to Buxfer are in the description below. Buxfer is a powerful and versatile budgeting app designed for users who need a more advanced tool to track personal finances. It's made for individuals, families, and small businesses who want to manage their money efficiently without feeling overwhelmed by complicated features. Buxfer offers a range of features that cater to different financial needs, making it a great option whether you're trying to stick to a budget or manage multiple accounts. One of the key features of Buxfer is its multi-account support. You can connect your bank accounts, credit cards, PayPal, and even Bitcoin wallets, consolidating all your financial information into one place. This makes tracking spending and income across different platforms seamless. Buxfer also offers automatic transaction syncing, so you don't have to manually input each expense, saving you time and effort. Another highlight of Buxfer is its budgeting tools. You can create custom categories for your spending, set monthly limits, and monitor your progress. The app provides a visual overview of your budget, making it easy to spot areas where you might be overspending. You can also set up recurring transactions, which is useful for bills or subscriptions, and Buxfer will automatically account for them in your budget. For those who like to track their financial goals, Buxfer has a robust goal-setting feature. Whether you're saving for a big purchase or working to pay off debt, you can create goals and track your progress toward achieving them. The app's reports and insights allow you to see your financial trends and better plan for the future. Buxfer's flexibility and user-friendly design make it a great option for those looking for a more sophisticated budgeting tool. If you're ready to take control of your finances with a tool that offers both simplicity and depth, check the description below for more details and links to download Buxfer.